How you guys doing today? We have another video here for you guys here. Today we have a clutch kit for the 2011 and 2017 Nissan Juke 1.6. It's gonna be the turbo edition, okay? And also for the Sentra, but the years are gonna be 2017 and 2019 1.6 turbo as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the components here. Here's gonna be the pressure plate. This is going to be the slave cylinder, the release bearing that comes with the kit. This is going to be the flywheel, and this is going to be the disc and alignment tool. Now, with this particular kit, stock, it does come with a dual mass flywheel. This is a conversion. So if you guys have any questions about that, please like, comment, describe below with that information. Now, again, the key broke it down. If you have any question about the year, the fitment, please comment and like, share on Instagram and YouTube. Thank
and
you.
also another thing, so this one comes with the the rigid disc normally, but with our flywheel, since this is kind of deep, you can actually use the sprung disc.
Yes.
So normally the original DMF flywheel only you can only use the rigid disc, whereas with this flywheel you can use rigid or sprung disc.
Right.
Okay,
Okay, perfect. All right, guys, thank you. Any
Okay.
comments, just let us know.
Thank you.